Well, it looks like there's finally a way to customize your shifter. It looks really good too. Like, it goes really well with the rest of the car. Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So we got some really cool pieces for the Fusion that we're gonna be installing today, and I have Yvette here to help me out. So you guys are already familiar with this piece. I did show you it. It's the piece that goes around the gauge cluster, but as you can tell by the title of the video, we do have this for the shifter. So basically, if you have a Fusion with a manual transmission, doing anything to your shifter is gonna be really easy. But I personally have a Fusion with an automatic transmission, and doing anything to it's going to be a little hard, but I did find this thing online to customize it, and I think it'll be a really good option. So it comes with this adhesion promoter because it is going to stick on with double-sided tape. And it comes with all these red pieces. You peel those off, that's what double-sided tape is, and it just basically cups on like that.
Ooh, it smells strong.
I kind of really like that smell.
It, like, gives me, oh, I'm going to sniff some Sharpies vibes, you know?
It's a really nice finish, though.
Mm-hmm.
So it is just a carbon fiber pattern, but it does look really cool. Like, it looks pretty realistic. I have seen some people paint it, but I'm not too familiar with how to disassemble it, and I couldn't find anything online, because I was actually trying to paint it with the rest of the trim on the interior, but I do really like this option.
Okay.
Kind of want to guide it into position.
Oh, it kind of just like snapped on.
There you go, just kind of press it down a little bit.
Okay. There we go.
I think this will also make it easier to clean, because if anything, the one thing that was kind of making the shifter just as it was a little more difficult was the fact that it had so many little nooks and crannies. This one's pretty smooth, and being on one surface, it should just be able to wipe down pretty easily.
Okay, it's ready.
And just kind of clip it on, same thing. And basically just press them together and hold them and give them some pressure first. Because it is double-sided tape, it'll hold pretty securely, as opposed to some other things that people use. It looks really good, right?
Mm-hmm. How does it look on that side? Because, like...
It looks really good on this side. It looks super flush.
There we go.
Well, it looks like there's finally a way to customize your shifter. It looks really good, too. Like, it goes really well with the rest of the car.
I wonder if you can see my reflection.
You actually can. You can see your reflection. Alright, so that one was really easy. This was only, what, 20? I think this was like less than $30. It cost like $29 maybe. I'm going to put the link in the description box down below. It has a really nice feel to it. I really do like that. I have seen some options out there that are basically like a leather cover. However, I've gotten so many mixed reviews on those that I didn't feel comfortable actually buying one of those. But this one, as you guys know, I kind of like finding things and presenting them to you when there's not much information out there. This one, just off first impression, it fits perfectly. It was really easy to put on, and it has a really nice custom factor that I feel like the shifter really needed. I've had all the interior trim painted. I did the full tan to black conversion, got the Starliner, got the custom seatbelts and everything. But the shifter was just something that had never been addressed, and I think this looks really good. It does feel a little thicker, granted, just because it is a piece on top of it. But it feels good. It feels like it fits in the hand just right. Kind of like what I did with the steering wheel, where the steering wheel felt a little thin, so getting this actual cover made it feel nicer in the hand. This feels very similar. And it still has all the same functionality. You still have your button right here, and then, you know, to actually engage the transmission and whatnot. So it's not going to mess with anything, but it does kind of update the look and make it look really nice. Thank you.
That was on me.
Yeah, this was all Yvette, actually. I just kind of supervised. Because I'm helping out with that. So I brought the car out of the garage to give you guys a little bit more perspective. It catches light really well. Very reflective. You can see my hand pretty clearly right here in the reflection itself. It goes very well with the custom painted trim as well. And I'll say this, if you wanted a different color, you could even paint this yourself. It does clip on really easily, and it has a really nice fit and finish. Super easy to clean. It's pretty smooth. So I'm really happy with it. Between ordering this piece and delivery, it took about 3.5 weeks to get here, which is a little bit longer than usual, but nonetheless, it's definitely worth it because there aren't really many options out there. There's the leather one that you can get on Amazon, I believe, but I do like the fit and finish of this one a lot better. Again, I'm going to put the link in the description box down below, and I checked, it actually only cost me $23 in total to get it here. That's the price of the piece itself, along with shipping, so definitely a really solid deal. And a little bit of an unforeseen update. So I did remove the piece around the gauge cluster because I wanted to remove the paint. So it didn't actually go to paint to get paint matched with the rest of the pieces. That was just the original white that I had painted it. And I basically wanted to go back to the factory finish. So in removing the paint, I actually ended up eating through to the material itself. But it's really no biggie because you can get these replacement pieces for like 10-20 bucks on eBay. So I was able to find one, but I came to Austin and I actually forgot the other piece, the carbon fiber pattern piece. So I'm not gonna be able to install that this video, But I promise I will get to it first chance I get when I'm back home. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next one.